Morning, everyone. It's 8:52 on Wednesday, the 9th of February. And this is your pre-opening comment. It is number 1143. Kind of light on information today, or at least pre-open. Chipotle last night reported the stock is up $100 at 1560. Um, it was a little higher. I saw it trade as high as 1577 last night, but it is up 6.82. The company says they're having no problem passing along costs through pricing, and they're looking to open more stores in, as they put it, smaller towns. GlaxoSmithKline beat. The stock is down a little, closed 45.22 last night, currently 44.30, down 89 cents or just 2%. Toyota reported good sales, problems with supply chain chips in particular. The stock isn't really doing anything yet. It's 1980 up a nickel. ENPH, a stock which is down from let's see, a high of 280 touched 113, and that was just in the last quarter and the first month of this year. So from mid-November to now, it has gone from 280 to 113, currently up 22% though on solid earnings, a beat top and bottom, and excellent guidance. 177 up 32.50, as I said, 22%. And CVS beat top and bottom line. The stock is 109.01. That's down $1.82. Not really surprising. The stock has basically doubled in the last year. We actually own this one at $49 in our stocks for total return because we bought it down there with a really decent yield. Stock futures are about unchanged for the last hour or so. The Dow is up about 240. NASDAQ is up about 220, and the S&P is up about 42. The 10-year yield has come down ever so slightly. And as far as futures go, we have the gold up another 80 cents to a dollar. Oil down 21 cents. That's now down from 93 to 88.41 on the low. I'm thinking we could probably get down to the 84, 85 area before resuming any move to the upside. The silver is down 6.5 cents. Bitcoin is sharply unchanged, down $45, but Ethereum is up $87. The dollar is down the 25 basis points it was up yesterday, and the bonds are up about an eighth of a point. The grains, there's a crop report today at noon. Grains are higher. Corn up a little, soybeans, which is Dennis's favorite, up 7, and the wheat complex, winter wheat, hard red wheat, spring wheat, all down about 3 to 4 cents a bushel. Nat gas is solidly lower. I'm actually thinking about going back into that down here around the $4 level. I think it's pretty well supported all the way from 370 to about where it is now, 410. So I'm going to look at UNG even with those island reversals on the gaps. We have a couple of Fed speakers, one at 10 or 10:30, one at noon. As I've said before, I wish they just shut up and do their job. They keep on talking about inflation, but the fact of the matter is that there are some very sticky bits of inflation here. And what I'm talking about are things like wages, which have been positive growth here. Nobody's taking those back. And I'm guessing more likely to fill all those empty jobs, they're going to have to raise them. And rents. The Fed can do nothing about the rise in rents due to the shortage of housing. So, these guys need to wake up and smell the coffee here a bit and do their job. All right, everyone. By the way, we also have wholesale inventories, but that doesn't come out until 10 o'clock. Have a good morning. Be careful out there. I'm not buying into this rally up here. Um, so I'm pretty much stand aside ahead of the CPI.